Hey, cowboy.
What's going on?
Oh, we just enjoying the weather, you know, hanging out.
Hanging out, packing up.
Yeah.
What happened?
He's too small.
Is he a little one?
Yeah. I mean,
That's what I figured.
he was really borderline, and he's just young, you know. 3-4-year-old. Long, lanky neck, you know. Beautiful bear. He's got really dark lower haunches and kind of nice and light up the top, you know, but so anyway.
Let's get another one.
Got one spotted?
Yeah.
Latta boy.
There we go.
Good.
Good man.
We're just telling everybody what a good deal it is here. These hunts, how easy it is to get on other bears and quick turnover and
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lot of fun, isn't it?
Rock on. Let's do it.
As you can see, we got set up on this den. It's only like 200 yards away. Hopefully he'll come out and give us a shot. We don't have a clue when he's going to come out or if he doesn't come out at all, so we're just going to stick around and wait, hope for the best.
What happened was we set up on this bear this morning at that den, and Steve had noticed there's a single set of tracks leaving, which is a pretty good indication that he wasn't in there anymore, right?
right.
So we've tracked him down to here. Now what are we gonna do?
Well, he's following this ridge line. This is his low spot. He gets up, see where he goes up there.
Yeah.
He gets on that ridge and he goes north, it looks like. So that ridge line drops off up here about half a mile.
Okay, is there a chance would he den up again, or is he just gonna be traveling?
Oh, sure, he could talk. He might just cruise out of here, but he might den up.
Our hope is to find a den where he
right.
builds another den and get set up on it.
Well, it's early enough in the day that we have time to look anyways.
Okay, excellent. Let's get after it. We've tracked this bear down in the bottom. He went up the creek and then he come back down. Steve's got his den located down there. What's the plan now, Steve?
Well, right now where we're at, kind of exposed. The wind's kind of blowing in that general direction.
Yeah.
If it shifts, he's going to wind us. So let's get off this ridge. Move down to that creek bottom below.
Okay.
We should be about 200 yards from there.
Okay.
If he's on that slope, he might be bedded down on that far sunny side there.
Sure.
Let's go see what's going on down there.
All right. Sounds like a plan. Come back.
This bear, we were set up above. We dragged him into his den, and the wind had kind of gone bad. We ended up coming down here, getting circled back around. We no longer got down here. He started to come out. We're just waiting for him to get in the open so we can get a shot at it now. Well, that's the second time he's gone back in the hole. This time he was up there, man. He was just demolishing this tree. He's dragging it back in his den for bedding, I suppose. It's just so thick up there, we can't get the shot. He ain't quite enough far enough from his den anyway, but hopefully he comes out and comes this way instead of going through all that brush again. But we'll see. Well, it doesn't look like he's gonna come back out tonight. We stuck around a couple more hours after he went in that last time, and no sign of him. We're probably gonna slide out of here and come back in the morning. morning we're probably gonna, with as much brush as there was when he come out this time, we're gonna shift our way a little bit that way. Hopefully get around some of that brush and debris. And if he does the same thing as he did tomorrow, as he did today, hopefully we'll get a shot opportunity. I guess we'll just see you in the morning. Sun's just starting to hit that den. Hopefully it'll be coming out soon. We just got set up. This is where we saw that bear yesterday. He just didn't give us a good shot opportunity, so we shifted around, got a little better angle on him. It looks like he stayed there overnight. We don't see any tracks leaving. Hopefully he comes out and gives us a shot today. He's gonna have a shoot lane cleared for us. Yeah. All that brush is cleared out of there. Just gotta give us a little better shot opportunity, just as it was there. Yeah. Thank you, Will. What'd you see? Yeah, kind of a shot there. When he was so close to the den. Yeah. Really hope when he comes out on that slope, you know. Right. If he just drops another 4 or 5 feet to the right there. Right. You know, or comes out this way on the left of that den. We'll have a clear shot. That's okay.